Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration, the bed and all, the walls and all. It's also you can see the wall, the roof, the floor, the bed, looking very beautiful decoration and design. You can see it's looking very good, and also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all looking very good, very beautiful decoration and design. And also you can see it is also very beautiful, the green color wall and all, beautiful green color wall. It's looking very good. And so also you can see the wall, beautiful decoration of wall. You can see looking very good. It's also it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the floor, the bed and all. It's looking very good. And so also you can see the floor, the wooden team floor, very beautiful floor. You can see it's looking amazing, looking very good. This one also you can see the floor, the team floor, the wall, the curtains and all, very beautiful decoration and design. And this one also you can see it's also very beautiful decoration. You can see the floor, wooden team floor, the roof, the side walls and all. It is looking very good, very good decoration. And this one also you can see it's also the beautiful decoration. You can see, and this one is looking very good. And the stairs also you can see beautiful stairs and all, very beautiful decoration, good design. And so also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall, the floor, the tables and all, very beautiful decoration. And this also it is also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all, good decoration. And this also you can see on the wall, you can see the up lights. You can see beautiful lights and all, looking very good, the beds and all. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful. You can see the floor, you can the wall, the sitting area, and it is a chair. It's looking very good, looking very beautiful. So this also very beautiful. You can see the roof, you can see the floor, the walls and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good. And this also you can see it is also very beautiful, the walls. And also I hope you like. If you like, don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.